Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. And also, I have been gone for so long. I feel like I need to be like, hi guys, my name is Miriam Maulana and I'm just new to YouTube. It's been a minute, but I'm so happy to be back and bringing you guys tutorials again. In today's video, we are going to be doing this quick and easy updo that you can honestly achieve in under 20 minutes if you have a blow dryer, one of those soft wood dryers that you can get from Clicks or your nearest pharmacy or hair supply store. So to start off, I'm going to moisturize my hair, which is why my hair is white. I went in with a leave-in conditioner and a hair butter. Then I'm going to be going in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to be working it into my hair. I found that if you really just work it into your hair, it makes it so much easy to sleek down your 4C hair, especially mine. After I've worked in the Eco Styler gel, I'm going to be going in with a hard bristle brush. I love this brush. I bought it from Dis-Chem and it does amazing things when I'm trying to sleek down my hair. And I always start by working from the front and holding all my hair, as much hair as I can. And then once I've done that, I will put on a scrunchie and then start working the back and applying my gel and moving it around, and also just sleeking it down using a brush. You just have to work that gel through your hair, and also that helps you not use too much gel. And I'm going to go in again with another scrunchie, and once that's done, I'm going to be doing the final touches to make sure that everything is up and tied in my bun. The white will go away once your hair is dry, so I'm going to tie it. That's like a stocking, like, you know, stockings that you actually wear. What I did is I cut the legs off of my stockings, and then because like stocking doesn't really like stick to your hair, I wrapped it around my head before putting myself into a soft wood dryer, you know, the one that you use your blow dryer in. And then I just sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes until my hair was properly dry. I'm going to be going in with this magic hair. Look at this. I love the texture of this hair. I love just how bulky it's going to look. It's just one packet, one of those one packets fits your head type of vibes. And then I'm going to be wrapping around my head. To start off, I'll put a bobby pin at the start of the hair itself and clip it into the base of my hairstyle, and then I start wrapping, and after a few wraps I go in with another bobby pin to fasten, and then you wrap and you wrap right at the bottom and you fasten. This is how you're going to get that like bulky afro look. And I love that style. Like, I mean, it's got the voom, you know what I mean? Like, once you have it on, you just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. I used both of I used the whole packet in my hair because I really wanted it super bulky. But if you're not up for bulky, I think half a packet still gives you like a really good style. You just keep bobby pinning it. If you want to keep the style for longer than, let's say, a couple of days, and you don't want to be touching it up, I would suggest you go in with a needle instead of bobby pins. That way you can sew the hair into your bun right there at the top. You can sew it into the base, and then just like that, you are done. This is your hairstyle. Your edges are done, and you can go out there and slay. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure to be back, and I hope to bring you guys more hair tutorials because I've missed this and I've missed you all. Please leave comments down below to let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you try it? Would you not? Love ya.